grind tungsten carbide with a resin-bonded diamond wheel. We buy conditioning sticks from 2 different suppliers. With one stick, we can go a lot more parts between stickings. Why is this? The biggest mistake people make when they're using a conditioning stick or they're sticking their wheel is that they use the wrong grit size. If we take a resin-bonded diamond or CBN wheel or metal bonded, after we true the wheel, the grits do not protrude above the bond material. So we've got to stick the wheel and make space or clear out some of that resin or metal bond. Okay. We have a certain grit size in there. Now, a typical mistake is people stick the wheel, but they stick the wheel and the grits in their stick are larger than the grits in the grinding wheel. So therefore, it's very difficult for those aluminum oxide or silicon carbide grits to get between the diamond or the CBN grits and remove that bond material. So we get very poor sticking or very poor grit protrusion. On the other hand, if we use a smaller grit in our stick, well, those small grits can get between the grits in the diamond or CBN wheel. It rips out that bond material and everything's good. Or we've got a 120 grit wheel, let's use a 180 grit stick. But let's not use a 60 grit stick because we're just not going to get good protrusion of the grits, so therefore you're going to have to stick the wheel far more frequently.